Alright, so I purchased a Firefly Les Paul from Guitar's Garden. And we have this Goldland designed by JSN, which has nothing to say with, nothing that says Firefly. Open her up. Take a peek. See what we really got. Oh, okay. Well, it is what it says it was. BO3, whatever that means. Oh, and this awesome styrofoam packing. I love styrofoam. There's a little head thing going on here. Oh, it does say Firefly. Alright, enough of that. I hate this stuff. I hate styrofoam. The sound makes my teeth curl. What else we got? We got a cable and a switch cover. Switch tip. So, what do we get? We got a Firefly Classic. That's scratched, but whatever. 3 pickup. Burst. It's getting some good, better light. That's not bad. I want to say it's a crazy top, but it's still nice. Yeah, it's got some issues. So on the back side, that's just looks like crap. Is it just plastic? Yeah, it's just plastic. Okay, that comes off. Yeah, so we got a designed and backed by JSN, whoever that is. Backed by JSN. So we have regular tailpiece, ABR 1 style bridge, pickups. Nothing funky, just a straight on 3 pickup. Now if it's like my Epiphone, I'm sure that these two are tied together when in the bridge position, the middle position, these two are tied together. That's generally the old-fashioned way of doing things. But so there it is. So we take a look at these inlays. Another toilet seat. Not sure, that's just plastic. That's maybe. Oh, it's perfectly in tune. Ooh, wow. It's sarcasm, people. Yeah, but the top's not too bad. It looks good. It's a nice burst. Had another case ready for it. Oh, there it is. I can't plug it in. Well, I can plug it in. I have my Fender Micro with me. I can plug it in with that, but you can't export the sound directly. Cool. That's it.